So we will rerun again the water displacement measurement because we ran out of time. We ran out of memory on my camera, but now this heat coming from the reactor, we need to put it here just to know how much heat we can get. Okay, now start. We'll start when this one start to come out. 5. Okay. Start on 5. 5. We start on 5. Now choke. The water coming out from that. See? That's the same Rosie, you know. Ikat of Rosie. We are producing heat aside from this SSO. Now it's running. Now 30 minutes now. Running to 30 seconds. Oh. Oh, the back. Take care. Look, this is tremendous. Look, you know, this is not just an ordinary heat. It's really heat. This is evaporation.